Hey everyone, it's Carol from Late, and today I'm super excited to show you a brand new feature we have just added to our platform. You can now publish Facebook stories directly through Late. Whether you are managing your personal brand, multiple business pages, or client accounts, this update is going to make your scheduling workflow even smoother. So let's jump straight to it. Alright, first things first, if you haven't already, head over to getlate.dev and sync up. You have to. It's super quick, just enter your email, set a password, and you are in. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2, connect your social accounts. You need to connect your social media accounts. Click on the Connections tab in the sidebar and select Facebook. You have to authorize Late to access your profile or page. Step 3 is create the post. Once your Facebook account is connected, you go to the Posts tab and click Create Post, as you normally would. Here is where you can upload your media, like photos or videos, anything you want to share as a story. Then the fourth step is choose when to publish. You can schedule for later, pick the exact date and time for your story to publish. You can publish now, immediately, or save it as a draft. Then the fifth step is select a format. Here you will see different options for Facebook content types. You can publish a normal Facebook post or you can publish Facebook stories. You select Facebook stories, and once you do, your upload is ready to go as a story. No extra step needed. And that's it. You click publish and your Facebook story is ready to post through Late. Here is a bonus tip. For Facebook and LinkedIn posts, you can also schedule your first comment, perfect for adding hashtags, extra links, or CTAs without cluttering your main caption. We have made videos on this channel walking you through those platform-specific tools in detail, so make sure to check those out too if you want to step up your scheduling game. And that's it. Your Facebook stories are now scheduled and published exactly when and how you planned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Late.